Hello kids, how are you? I am fine and I hope you are fine too. Um, what? Who's arriving? Look. Dun, 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 dun. It is a crocodile. Yes, a dangerous one. Is it dangerous in your opinion? No, it's not dangerous. It is Samantha. She lives with me and with Eddie. She is 5 years old and she is a pretty pink crocodile and she is very, very, very nice. Yes. Today I want to explain you something new and I want to show you some wild animals. Eddie is speaking, yes, but he is on my sofa and he is jealous, yes, because he wants to speak about him, but today is not his turn. Okay, I want to show you some wild animals. This one, it's a baby leopard, okay? And then we have three nice penguins. Oh yes, they are not pet. Then I have one big rhino and a ferret, un furetto. Then I have a nice orangutan, yes, and a sea lion, this one. Oh, and now I have also a big gorilla and a nice red panda. It is smaller than the black dangerous gorilla, the dangerous black gorilla. Oh, here we have a kind of dog, hyena, una hiena. And here we have a sea turtle. Eddie, stop speaking, please. I'm having a lesson. Yes, then you can come here. Here I have a big elephant. Big elephant. And a beautiful big cat. Yes, it is a tiger. Big tiger. Yes, ok. Quindi bambini, questo sarà l'argomento della nuova unità che andremo a studiare insieme questa settimana. Ci vediamo presto, un bacione! Eccomi, sì, scusate, Eddie si è arrabbiato tantissimo e in effetti aveva ragione, perché vi voleva salutare. So, say hello to the children. Hello. Hello, see you soon. See you soon. I hope to see you soon. Please. Don't scream. Bye bye. Kisses.